This is the second short video explaining TPM, and in this video I want to explain some of the contrasting approaches to transform performance and also culture. Alongside TPM, we hear lots about Lean, Six Sigma and other techniques, and the mistake I often see is companies choose between these techniques rather than considering how they can complement each other. So the best way to represent these is not as discrete approaches for people to choose between, but to rather show them as interlocking circles. So, for example, we have Lean that's concerned with making value flow by eliminating waste. We have TPM that is concerned with eliminating loss, and that will allow processes to never fail. And also TQM, which is really about engaging everybody in solving problems in a structured way. So these methods are clearly complementary, and the one thing at the centre that they have in common is all about small group activities. So it's the philosophy that by engaging everybody in the improvements, we'll get benefits much faster, much better, and in fact they'll be more sustainable. Six Sigma is not a direct replacement for TQM, it's rather a complementary approach, and it's working on more complex problems using statistical techniques. And many organisations will develop their own system by blending these philosophies. And in fact, failure of any initiative is never down to what the initiative is called. These things, to be successful, require strong leadership, clear goals, and most important, lots of action. So in the next short video, we'll look at some of the typical activities that take place. And if you want to learn more, please go to industryforum.co.uk.